This is why you need the Legacy Builders program to start your online business today. Imagine working from home, setting your own hours, and finally achieving financial independence. If you're an unemployed mom or a recent graduate, the Legacy Builders program is your answer. Unemployed moms, we get it. Juggling family and a job hunt is tough. With Legacy Builders, work around your family's schedule right from home. Graduates, lack of experience, no problem. Our program offers step-by-step training, making it easy for beginners. Say goodbye to financial stress. Legacy Builders is packed with success stories from people just like you, earning steady incomes and living stress-free. Forget the frustrating job hunt. Create your own career path with our easy-to-follow digital marketing course. Learn SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a sustainable way to build your own business with real results. Ready to transform your life? Visit Bella's website now and start your journey with the Legacy Builders program. Don't miss out on this high-demand opportunity for financial freedom and flexibility. Click the link below to get started today.